Jesus, na popo action. Na action way the munyenge me for body. And na action way he goes Life in Jesus. Life in Jesus. Na better action. Life in Jesus. Na popo action. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Please, if you are new to this channel, don't forget to hit the red subscribe button below to subscribe, and of course the notification bell so that each time I upload a new video, you will be the first to be notified. And for the returning subscriber, thank you so much. Somebody is helping me to introduce a video. Say hey guys.
Hey guys.
Hey guys.
Hey guys.
Welcome back to Mommy's channel. Hey guys. Please don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so that each time I upload a new video, you'll be the first to be notified. So today I'm going to show you guys how to make akara with banana, akara banana with just banana and of course garri. So follow me as we go. Banana, say banana. Bubu, say banana. Say banana.
Banana.
And garri.
Garri.
Banana.
Banana.
Garri.
Garri.
Go and take your chair and come and climb. Go and look for chair. So guys, follow me. I'm going to show you. So this is my banana. I'm not going to use much, but I don't have much garri. So I'm going to use just 3 bananas. I've washed them already.
Hey guys.
Hey guys.
Banana.
Banana and garri.
Guys.
Remove your head, Papa. Remove your banana I've put inside the blender. This is all I'm gonna use because I don't have much garri.
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 It's garri.
It's garri. Wait. Let me put in the current. So let me bring the camera down. Wait up. Hey, somebody's helping me. Oh yeah, blend it. Blend. 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 Good boy. Somebody's helping me to blend. Blend again. Blend. Good boy. Blend the last time. Good. Clap yourself. It's okay. So we are done blending our banana. Now we're going to pour it here. No, boy, we don't need water. It's like it's very small, that we just do it like that. Papa, you are also using spoon. Hey, I've started. Our banana. Somebody's helping me to stir the banana. Now we are going to put our garri. It's already dark. I don't know what I'm going to do. Add our garri. I'm not measuring it, I'm just following the steps. Hey guys, somebody is speaking Swahili. Banana and garri to make accra. So guys, this is the texture. I did not have transparent bowl to mix inside, so just manage. Garri is stronger, so we have to leave it for some time to soak with the banana. So see you like 10 minutes later. So guys, this is the texture. So this is the texture now. So you are going to add half teaspoon of salt. So let me add. Take you along. So that's the salt. Tastes optional, anyways. This is a mixture. So guys, after obtaining your desired texture, you have to fold them in little bits like this so that you can easily fry them. So this is it. I'm folding them in the sizes I want. So I'm done folding them. It's not much, it's just that small on the plate. I'm frying them now. Don't mind I'm using my hands to fry it. I just want to do something in a rush. So that's it on the fire. I'm frying them and you're gonna see the end result soon. Try black.
For body,